Hello, keep smiling. This helps. My name is Agnieszka, and I have found more than a career at Sanat. At Sanat, I have built a career that challenges me while also giving me balance. With competitive benefits, strong well-being programs, and a culture that values people, I feel supported every day. I think I made a mistake here in one thing. Living in UAE means sunshine year long, a safe and vibrant community, and opportunities to experience the world in one place. For me, this feels like home. Zbuduj swoją karierę i swoje życie w Zjednoczonych Emiratach Arabskich. Aplikuj już teraz. Zapraszam.